Van life in China is full of surprises. Good morning, everyone. Right now is 8:30 in the morning, and let me show you how my daily routine looks like. So let me get up. So actually, this is my bedroom. This is the place where I live and basically sleep. So I have two pillows. I added this material to feel warm during the winter. I also have electrical blanket that I can plug into my battery and feel warm. So let's go down. Let's see what this day can bring. So basically, this is my first floor. This is how I go down. So this is my first floor where I get dressed and go outside. And this is my dogs here. Hi, we want to go outside. Let's go. First, let my dogs go out. By the way, here is very comfortable, very warm. People say, do you feel cold? Actually, it's not. I have a LF Bros heater and it's really comfortable. I can adjust the temperature here, so it's pretty comfortable. And I need to use the diesel. It goes like that, so it's pretty warm and comfortable. Good morning, girls. Good morning. Yesterday, they took shower. All right, let's go. 小可爱. This is a 小可爱. Good morning, everyone. All right, come 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Okay, girls, you can have fun. They might need some water and some breakfast. The next step is to use the bathroom, of course, and so it's very convenient here. So the bathroom is next to my van, and start making breakfast. It's very cold. I think the water is a little bit frozen. Yeah. You can check this out. Time for breakfast and of course coffee. So get back in a minute. So right after the shower, it's a perfect time to get dressed and start making breakfast, which is today will be a scrambled eggs. My daily routine, how it looks like living in the van, 100% surrounded by nature and of course fresh air and freedom. My hands are pretty dry during this time. I need to protect my skin by adding some hand cream. So this is my outdoor kitchen in the camp. All right, scrambled eggs. So we have to take the oven. Oh my God, everything is frozen here, and including the oil, I guess. No, oil is all right. We need some eggs. 3 will be good because we're also gonna have some sandwich. Bread. Also, I need some coffee. Now it's time for breakfast. While waiting for coffee, this is a sandwich. Pretty good breakfast. Very healthy and yummy. The good morning starts with the good breakfast and big cup of coffee. Whoa! It's too much. Now it's coffee time. Cheers. Enjoy the sunshine, read the book, and drink coffee. This is how my daily morning looks like. Press like and subscribe.